Hello everybody. Alright, a lot has happened since we found this machine. We've done some upgrades to it. And I'll show you in a second here, real quick. So we got a new video card. And we got a sound card. Audio. So this thing's going to be nice. So we're going to change that and that. But these are the two main points. We got to get video card, sound card. Alright. Excellent. Oh yeah, and I brought my speakers down. My little speakers from the laptop. Okay, so we're in the BIOS. Now, this is where we need to make the changes so that the onboard sound and the onboard video are disabled. And we are about to do that. Come up here on the right hand side, top right, advanced mode. It's on the bottom. Now, go into advanced. Onboard device configuration. HD audio controller. Disabled. Via storage controller. I don't know what that is, so I'm not going to screw with it. So leave it. It says here, what's the bandwidth you want for the PCI Express video card? Just leave it on auto. We're going to leave the LAN and the USB controller. And this, where's the audio? Oh, sorry, audio. Yeah, okay, yeah. I'm a dummy. Disabled, good. So it's keeping the stuff from before. Alright. Where is the onboard video? Oh, here we go. Alright. PCIe. PCI. Integrated jack. I see. Now, iGPU, PCI PEG, PCI PEG. What is PEG? PEG. PCI. Let's just go with that. iGPU memory. There's no PCI Express. Look at this. PCI Express graphics adapter. Okay, let's do that. That's probably what that means. 32 megs. Let's put this back to 512. Okay. Multi-monitor. For add-on VGA device. Let's go. Enabled. Okay. Next. Back. Okay, so we've made the changes. Let's exit and save. Yes. Where's my USB drive? Because we're going to reinstall them. It's just the only way. It's the only way. Alright. I'm going to power it off. We're going to change position, and then we're going to see what happens, okay? Alright, here we go. Yes.